Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial skill for every Fusion user, mastering user parameters. If you have ever felt frustrated by manually updating every single dimension in a complex model, this is the solution you need. By using parameters, you can turn your static designs into dynamic, automated models that update instantly. If you enjoy these technical deep dives, please hit that like button and subscribe for more CAD mastery tutorials. Let's jump right into the interface. To start, head over to the top toolbar and click on the Modify tab. From the drop-down menu, select Change Parameters. This will open the Parameters dialog box, which is the control center for your entire project. You will see several sections here, like Model Parameters, but we want to focus on the User Parameters section. Locate the plus icon right next to User Parameters and click it to create a new entry. A window will pop up asking for the details of your parameter. First, under the Name field, give it something intuitive, like width or height. Be sure to avoid spaces in the name. Next, choose your unit type, such as millimeters, centimeters, or inches, depending on your project needs. In the Expression field, go ahead and type in your desired value, for example, 50 millimeters. If you want to keep your project organized, you can add a brief note in the comment box, which is especially helpful when working on larger, complex assemblies. Once you have filled in all the details, click OK. You have now officially created a parameter. Now here's where the magic happens. You can close the dialog box and go to your sketch or features. When you are prompted to type in a dimension, instead of typing a fixed number like 50 millimeters, simply type the name you assigned, in our case, width. Fusion will automatically link that dimension to your parameter. This means that if you go back to the Change Parameters menu later and change the value of width, every single sketch and extrude linked to that name will update automatically in real time. This level of parametric control is what separates beginners from pros. It saves hours of rework and allows you to test different design variations in seconds. Remember, you can create as many as you need to control everything from wall thickness to hole locations. Practice this workflow and you will see your design speed increase dramatically. If this guide helped you streamline your design process, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned for our next tutorial where we will cover advanced expressions and equations to take your Fusion models even further.